So what are you gonna do then? What are you gonna do, Stinky? What are you gonna do, Stinky? Are you gonna put your wiener in a camel again?
I can clean your ass.
Do it. You won't. You're too scared.
There's a hairs on your back, on your ass. There's
Yeah.
a hairs.
You should smell them. You should smell my ass hairs, bud.
I can clean it with my tongue.
Yeah, you can clean my ass with your tongue, you dirty fucking smelly goof.
Yeah, that's how we do.
Yeah, I know.
That's how I do.
Yeah, I know. And you too.
That's my word. That's
You're
my word.
and you're a child.
What is that, sorry?
Oh, what was that? Sorry, you child. Child didn't make you hard of hearing, does it? Yeah, don't be scared. Tell me about all the children you've molested, you goof. Why? Don't be scared. What happened? Come to Inwood, you goof. You child molester. What's wrong, you child molester? Don't have anything to say now because you're too busy molesting children? Don't be scared.
Child molester. Child molester. Can you spell it, child molester?
I don't need to.
Can you spell it for me?
You know how to spell it. Because you are it.
Sucker.
Yeah, child molester.